Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we are putting together your ultimate digital toolkit. Yeah, we're talking about count 'em, 5 essential upgrades to help you streamline, secure, and just take back control of your modern life. So let's dive right in.
So does this sound familiar? You've got files scattered across like a dozen different cloud services. You're constantly kind of worried about who's tracking your data, and your social media feed, well, it feels more chaotic than connected. If you're nodding your head right now, you are definitely in the right place. We're going to fix that.
All right, here's our game plan. We're going to start by conquering all that digital clutter. Then we'll move on to reclaiming your privacy and your speed online. After that, we're going to unify your social world, learn how to navigate the new world of digital finance, and finally, we'll put together your brand new digital toolkit.
First up, the mess. You know, the one on our devices. We've all got it. That hidden system junk, old files, duplicates, just clogging up our computers and our cloud storage. So our first tool, Clean My Mac, is built to solve this exact problem.
And the impact is pretty much immediate. That number you see, 5.5 gigabytes, that's what Clean My Mac finds and removes, on average, during its very first scan. I mean, think about that. That's a huge chunk of space you get back instantly.
So how does it do it? Well, the core of it is this feature called Smart Care, and it's basically a simple 5-step routine that automates the whole shebang. It does a super deep clean, it looks for any potential security threats, it boosts performance, updates your apps, and it even organizes your local and your cloud storage. It's like a full tune-up in just one click.
All right, let's tackle a trade-off that, let's be honest, we all make every single day, sacrificing our privacy just for a little bit of speed. But what if you didn't have to choose? Well, 2 innovators, Ecosia and Tuda, are proving it's actually possible to have both.
This, right here, is the core promise of Ecosia. You know, the search engine that puts its profits into climate action. They're building this amazing AI-powered search that respects the planet and your privacy. They don't build these massive data profiles on you because, like they say, their mission is about trees, not about tracking. Simple as that.
And hey, speaking of not compromising, let's talk about Tuda, the encrypted email service. They just rolled out this brand new fast sync technology, and this is the result. Their apps are now up to 10 times faster. Seriously, this is a massive leap forward for secure communication. So the crucial point here is this. Tuda proves that you can have elite end-to-end encryption without that annoying lag. You get a user experience that's just as fast as the mainstream services, but with privacy and security baked in as the default. You get speed and security, no more choosing.
Okay, next up is the Wild West of social media. It's so fragmented, it's chaotic, and it often feels like the platforms are focused on everything except the user experience, right?
This is the kind of noise we've just gotten used to. Data harvesting, huge leaks, arbitrary censorship. I mean, this chaos is exactly why a new alternative is starting to emerge. And our next tool is the key that unlocks it.
The future is something that's being called the open social web. Just think of it like a collection of independent networks, like Mastodon, Blue Sky, even Threads, that can actually talk to each other. The whole focus shifts back to users and conversations, not on algorithms and ads.
And that's exactly where OpenVibe comes in. It's your single gateway to this entire new ecosystem. I mean, imagine seeing all your feeds in one unified timeline, or posting to multiple networks all at once. Best of all, you are back in control. No ads and no selling your data, period.
For our final upgrade, we are tackling the world of digital finance. Now, I know it can seem really complex, maybe even a little intimidating, but our next tool, C-Wallet, is designed to be a simple, secure, and really powerful way into this new era. And listen, C-Wallet is no small player. It operates at a massive scale. To give you some perspective, we're talking about over 37 million users and nearly 600 million transactions processed. And that's across more than 60 different blockchains. This is a platform built on some serious trust and experience.
But here's the thing. It is so much more than just a wallet. It's a full-on financial toolkit. So if you're a creator, the tip box lets you get income directly. If you're building a community, the airdrop arena can turn token rewards into a game. And if you're a business, you can handle everything from bulk payments to HR. It's just incredibly versatile.
So, let's put it all together. We've just assembled a really powerful set of upgrades that can fundamentally improve how you interact with your entire digital world.
So there you have it. your upgraded toolkit. Each one of these tools does way more than just solve a problem. They really represent a shift toward more control, better privacy, and a more intentional way of living our digital lives. From a cleaner Mac to a unified social feed, you are now equipped to take charge.
So the only question left is, where are you going to start? Whether it's reclaiming gigabytes of space, securing your communications, or exploring a brand new social web, the power to upgrade your digital life is right there, in your hands. Thanks for watching The Explainer.